How to draw data flow diagram using ChatGPT. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can draw data flow diagram using ChatGPT. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up ChatGPT in your device. So for that, open up any browser, type in ChatGPT and then head over to ChatGPT. So once you're here, you'll have this text box in this interface where you can ask question to ChatGPT. There you can type in write me a code for PlantUML for data flow diagram of any system that you wish. So for here, I have written ATM system, and then make sure to type in level 0, level 1 and level 2. Then you have to submit your request to ChatGPT or submit this question. After that, ChatGPT will generate the code for the PlantUML. So for level 0, you have to copy the code. Once you have copied the code, now open up a new tab and in the search bar, type in PlantUML and head over to the first link. Once you're here, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side and click on Online Server. And now here you have to paste the code that you have copied recently. Paste the code and then click on Submit. After that, PlantUML will generate the level 0 DFD diagram. So in this way, you can create DFD diagram using ChatGPT, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.